Welcome to KPhil, my photography and video creation channel. Welcome, blogging tips for beginners. Episode number one, I'm talking about not planning content ideas ahead of time. Yes, not planning content ideas ahead of time. So, what new beginners, new vloggers sometimes do is they just pick up their camera and they start filming random clips, and the hope is it comes together in the edit. So, if you do not have an idea, you do not have anything planned specifically on what this video you are creating is going to be about, it's I don't know, but let's get into it. Why is it important that you need to plan your content? Now, if your content is not planned out, it leads to inconsistency and your content lacks focus. This in turn confuses your audience because the audience is confused when they're watching your content or watching a video, and they have no idea as to where your video is heading. This is terrible if you want to create, and this is terrible if your goal is to build a community, to build an audience. So think about it. Plan your content and structure it, even in the edit. Make your content have focus and let the people pick up the value they are learning from your content. Yes. So then the way you plan this content out is you start by defining your niche. Are you in the niche of cooking? Is it food? Is it photography? Is it beauty or anything? There's so many niches out there. So if you have your niche picked out, then you get your idea. What is your video idea about? And when you have that locked in, and then that's when you start thinking about some short ideas that you want to do to execute the type of video that you want to create. This is very important. Like I said, for the long haul, to help your channel, if you want to build an audience, make sure that you plan your content and shoot your content, and make sure that there's consistency, there's a consistent theme within your video, and it will make it easier for people to follow you and help you grow as a YouTuber.